So in this video, I'm going to show you 7 ways that you can generate as much traffic as you want for your blog or website. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lester Diaz, and in this channel, we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. When I first started online, one of my major struggles was that I didn't know how to generate enough traffic for my blogs or websites. And if you don't have traffic for your blogs or websites, you're not going to get sales and you're not going to make money with affiliate marketing. And I started researching a lot of different ways that you can generate traffic, consistent traffic, whether that was free traffic or paid traffic. What I wanted to know was, what are the best ways that you can use to generate consistent traffic to any blog or website, no matter what you're selling or what type of website you have? I'm going to show you 7 ways that you can start generating traffic, consistent targeted traffic for your website or blog. Now, before we get into the video, make sure you download my free affiliate marketing guide below with over 40 pages that can teach you the basics of affiliate marketing, how you can start generating sales and traffic online using affiliate marketing. And like I said, it's completely free. You have nothing to lose. So just click the link in the description below and download it 100% free. All right, so let's jump into the video. And the first way to generate traffic to your website is using Pinterest. Believe it or not, Pinterest is one of the biggest sources of targeted traffic for a lot of bloggers out there, because Pinterest is visited by millions of people on a daily basis. And if you learn how to use Pinterest properly, you can generate a lot of free traffic from Pinterest to your blog or website. All you need is to create a free Pinterest account, and what you can do is you can use websites like canva.com to create images that you can use on Pinterest and then link those images to specific blog posts on your blog. And if you want to take it to the next level, you can always use Pinterest ads to drive thousands and thousands of visitors, targeted visitors, to your blogs or websites. But once you start learning how to use Pinterest organically, you won't have an issue generating free traffic using Pinterest. Number 2, email. This is often overlooked because a lot of people don't know how to build an email list. But if you have a blog or website, if you're trying to build a business online, you need to have an email list. And you can do this by offering a newsletter on your blog or website, or giving something in return in exchange for an email. An email list is going to allow you to easily tap into that email list as many times as you want to generate as much traffic as you want for anything that you want to promote, whether that's a blog or website, product, or service. So make sure that if you're starting a blog right now, from the beginning, you're starting to build your own email list, and the bigger the email list, the easier it's going to be for you to generate traffic. And if you don't know how to build an email list, I'm going to put a link in the description below to the service that I use, which is GetResponse, easily allowing you to add forms to your blog or website to start collecting emails. Number 3, Facebook. Now, you already know that Facebook can be a huge source of traffic if you know how to use it properly. A lot of people are just spamming Facebook groups and just posting links to different articles and websites, thinking that that's going to magically send a lot of traffic to the website. But honestly, that's not going to help you get consistent traffic. What you want to do is build a Facebook page for your website or blog and start building that Facebook page to a point where you can get a few thousand followers on that Facebook page, because that's going to help you have an audience that's really going to consume your content, whether that's a blog post or anything else that you're looking to promote on that Facebook page. And if you want some guidance on how to build Facebook pages to thousands of followers, I do have a lot of free videos on my channel that can teach you how to do that. And the bigger your Facebook page, the easier it's going to be for you to generate traffic for your blog or website. Number 4, Facebook ads. Now, if you don't want to build a Facebook page, if you don't want to spend the time of creating content to build a following on Facebook, then Facebook ads is perhaps the fastest way for you to generate traffic from Facebook, targeted specifically to your niche. So let's say you have a blog in the dog niche. You can easily use Facebook ads for that niche or any other niche, because you can find people based on interest inside of Facebook ads. And you can set a budget of $5, $10, $20 per day, and you can send as much targeted traffic to your blog or website by simply paying Facebook for it without you having to spend the time to create content or build a following on Facebook. Number 5, YouTube. YouTube is one of my favorite ways to generate traffic online, and videos are evergreen content. So the more videos you have, the more likely you are to generate traffic to anything that you want. If you have a blog or website, a product or service, anything that you want to sell, YouTube can definitely help you do that. Because once you start making videos and those videos start ranking on YouTube, you can get free traffic for years to come. I still have videos on my channel that are sending traffic, consistent daily traffic to blog posts, to products and services that I'm promoting, and videos that I've done over a year ago and are still consistently sending traffic to my properties. All it takes for you is to make your first video, and once you start uploading more and more videos, you'll see the potential of generating a lot of free traffic from YouTube to anything that you want. Number 6, SEO. Search engine optimization can be a little bit tough if you don't know what to do. But basically, if you're able to learn how to optimize your website or blog properly, you can definitely rank your pages inside of Google. So whenever someone is typing for something specifically that is related to your content, they can easily find it inside of Google. Now be warned, there's a lot of competition on Google, and just don't think that you'll be able to rank your content on the first page of Google within just a few days. It just doesn't work like that. It takes a lot of work and effort to be able to rank on the first page of Google. And so what I recommend is that you go on YouTube and start learning about SEO, search engine optimization. There's a lot of good YouTube videos that can teach you the basics of SEO and a few tools that you can use to help you find the best keywords to target and how to properly optimize your blog or website to rank better on Google. And last but not least, number 7, Google Ads. Now, if you don't want to deal with search engine optimization because it's very time consuming and you don't have the time to do that, then what I would suggest, if you want to get immediate traffic from Google, is to use Google Ads. Google Ads, just like Facebook ads, allow you to target specific people based on location, age, demographics, interests, and a lot of different filters that you can use to find the perfect visitor for your blog or website. Now the difference is you'll be paying for that traffic, but it's going to allow you to generate as much traffic as you want, targeted traffic for your blog or website depending on your budget. And setting up a Google ad, it's not complicated whatsoever. Google actually has some very good tutorials that you can find on YouTube. And this is something you can learn how to do yourself within a few days by just watching a few videos. What I highly recommend is that you stick to one thing and actually learn how to generate traffic using one thing. Don't try to do all 7 at the same time, because most likely if you try to do all 7, you won't be able to properly learn how to use any of these websites. So just pick one of the 7 ways that I've shared with you on how to generate traffic, and once you start generating some traffic using that technique, then you can just move on to another one and start implementing that technique. So guys, I really hope that this video was helpful. If it was, make sure you hit that like button. It's really gonna help me out with this video. And if you haven't subscribed already, subscribe to my channel because I post videos like this every single week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.